my dear students. Now in this video we will discuss the topic crackdown of revolt. Crackdown of revolt means that how the revolt was suppressed by the Britishers, or what were the reasons behind the failure of the revolt. When the revolt started, it was so powerful, but it was very short-lived and it was suppressed very soon. So firstly we discuss the causes behind what were the reasons behind the failure of the revolt of 1857. So first, most Indians remained loyal to the Britishers and they gave the valuable services to the Britishers in suppressing the revolt. Another reason, second, lack of unity among the Indians. All Indians did not unite at that time against the Britishers. Third, inorganized, and the revolt was inorganized in nature. It means that the revolt was not well planned, well organized. Because of that also it led to the failure. Fourth, modern educated Indians also did not supported the revolt, because according to them the British rule was the rule which was bringing the reforms in the Indian society. They consider the Indian society was very backward at the time, because there were many ill practices in the Indian society, like that of the sati system and others. So modern educated Indians consider Britishers to be as a reformer of the Indian society. That's why they did not supported the revolt of 1857 at that time. And the last and the most important reason behind the failure of the revolt was that neither of the leaders of the revolt, regarding which we discussed in the previous video, who took up the leadership at various places, those leaders, not the sepoys, were inspired by any high ideals of patriotism and nationalists. Means these leaders were not having any kind of a nationalistic feeling in their heart, or a love for the nation, patriotism. They were fighting for their own benefit. Like Rani Lakshmi Bai, she was fighting for securing the Jhansi. Or Bahadur Shah Zafar, he took up the leadership because he was forced by the sepoys to took up the leadership. Then other leaders also all were fighting. Begum Hazrat Mahal, she was fighting to secure the Lucknow from the rule of Britishers. All have their personal motive. They were not inspired by the nationalistic or the patriotic feeling. At that time there was not the concept of a nationalist. Okay. Hello students, now we will discuss the events of suppression. The events in which the revolt of 1857 was suppressed, by which the revolt of 1857 was suppressed. So firstly, what the Britishers did for suppressing the revolt, they tried to break by their diplomatic means, by their diplomatic tactics, they used to break the Hindu-Muslim unity, because they understood by the revolt that till the time the Hindu and the Muslim population of India remain united, it will be impossible for them to rule it again. That's why by a diplomatic tactics they tried to break their unity by favoring one group or and disfavoring another group. Second was, Indian troops were also disarmed. The Indian soldiers who were there in British army, the arms were taken from them, they were disarmed. And Britishers raised a new regiment and sent that regiments to Delhi, because firstly their target, the Britishers' target, was to recapture Delhi, because Delhi was the status symbol for them. So they want to recontrol Delhi as soon as possible. That's why they appointed a new regiment in which only the British soldiers were there. Very less, or the very loyal Indian soldiers were there. Most of the soldiers were the Britishers in that. Then finally they recaptured Delhi, and after recapturing Delhi, the thousands of innocent people at Delhi were killed. Bahadur Shah Zafar was also arrested with his wife with his wife Begum Hazrat Mahal, and they both were sent to Rangoon, which is in Nepal, in 1858. And Bahadur Shah Zafar died at Rangoon in 1862. Okay, the Britishers also killed two sons of Bahadur Shah Zafar and his grandson also, and deported them, Bahadur Shah Zafar and his wife, to Rangoon. In March 1858, the Lucknow was also recaptured, and the leaders were arrested and they were hanged to death. Nana Sahib was also defeated in the battle, but he refused to surrender and he escaped to Nepal. Jhansi was also annexed and Rani Lakshmi Bai was killed in June 1858. After the defeat of Rani Lakshmi Bai, you know, Tate Tope was helping Rani Lakshmi Bai. After the death of Rani Lakshmi Bai, Tate Tope fled to the jungles, forests of Central Asia. There he was helped by the tribal people to fight against the Britishers. And finally he was also arrested and hanged to death. So in all, it took up the 2 years. Britishers took up 2 years to suppress the revolt fully. So beta, this is all about the events of the suppression of revolt. In the next video, we will discuss what were the changes came in the British administration after the revolt of 1857. Thank you.